Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off messages suggestions on your LinkedIn app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn app. All you have to do, just go up here, you will click here on this picture here or app, then it's going to take you here in this window or this it's going to show for you window like this. You click here on settings and it's going to take you here in this window, just waiting to show for you like this, and you just click here on data privacy here and it's going to take you here in this window. Then you just go down and you come here to messaging suggestions. Here you will click and you come here to messaging suggestions. You just click here on this sign or this color, and like you see color, it's gone. That's mean messaging suggestions it's turned off now. I wish now I get it. That's all. So just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.